Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Analysis.com YouTube channel. This is Henry and today is April the 1st. We're looking at the chart of Meta, 30 minutes time frame. We can see right here we completed with two. This is the super cycle degree. And then we have started to rally. You can see short term the rally looks pretty impulsive, right, with a lot of extension, pretty strong move, and we should be looking for more upside at minimum in a bigger 3 years rally. I'm going to show you in the larger time frame which cycle are we in right now, but for now in the shorter cycle, as long as we stay above that low, um, 519, we should continue to see more upside. So as long as the pullback is expected to continue to find support in 3 swing or in 7 swing for more upside. Now let me zoom out to the daily time frame. Here is the daily time frame. I'm just gonna copy the one that we have here in the 1 hour into the daily. This wave 2 super cycle is right here. So let me zoom out. This is where we are, right? In Meta, right? Now, if this is a 1, if this is a 2, then the 1 should be right here. So now, basically what this implies is that if this is correct, then this cycle is finished. Let me copy this Y here. If this is a Y here, okay, if this is a Y, then this is a X and this is a W. Okay, so we finished this cycle or this sell-off that started from August last year at 800 all the way to 500. So that's a pretty significant pullback, right? 800 to 500, right? $300 correction is pretty decent correction. Let's see the extension so far. This WXY, you can see reaching perfect 100%, and starting to rally. Right now, according to the 1 hour, we're calling the 2 completed. On the daily, the rally is not yet very significant to be 100% without any doubt sure that this correction we have is really finished, right? Now, so that means, in other words, we cannot completely rule out the possibility of another leg down again in Meta, breaking below 519. However, the area of support is this extension here, right? Between 400 and 520 is the area of support, and we already reached the minimum, which is the 520, right? Which is this upper end of this support area zone here. So we could be finished anytime the correction, which is what we are seeing here. We are calling it completed. The rally is looking impulsive, so that if you go with this rally alone, that suggests that okay, this one structural wise looks impulsive, doesn't look corrective. That means we at minimum should be looking for a 3-years rally like this, like an ABC rally at minimum. Okay, so assuming even if we have not made a low yet, the rally here looks quite impulsive, suggesting at minimum we can see something like this. 1, 2, 3, and then if it wants to go down, it can go down again from here to finish this with 2. But shorter cycle, we are looking for more upside as the rally looks impulsive, as long as it stays above 519. Okay, so that's the idea here, guys. And as always, as you know, whether or not we will eventually go to new high again, it may or may not happen. It may not necessarily break above 800 right away. It can actually form even yet a bigger WXY. So even if we do get a big rally, we can fail and then down again like this, due to a bigger WXY, and that's certainly a possibility due to a bigger degree correction. Nonetheless, whether or not that will happen, only time can tell, but nonetheless, this cycle could be complete already now, as we have reached the minimum 520. So when the cycle is complete, the minimum expectation is a 3-ways correction against that cycle. So meaning, at minimum, we should be getting a 3-ways to correct this cycle. And then if it doesn't go to new high, we can fail and go down again due to a bigger double correction to the downside. But as long as we stay above 519, as the rally looks impulsive, we are liking it higher. Okay, so that's the update for today, guys. As always, if you want to get more updates, feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial. The link is in the description of the video. See you all again next time, and have a nice day, everyone.